Welcome to Smart Buys. From innovative kitchen tools to everyday home essentials, these hand-picked Amazon favorites combine style, function, and convenience, making it easier to cook, clean, organize, and enjoy smarter living every day. All products links in the description section below. Tired of midnight bottle prep chaos? The Baby Brezza formula machine takes over mixing and warming bottles in seconds with perfect consistency every time. It's smart, hygienic, and totally stress-free. From busy mornings to late nights, this clever helper keeps feeding time smooth, easy, and always baby-ready. Start your mornings like a barista with the Chefrobot coffee machine, brewing espresso, latte, or cappuccino at a touch. Its built-in grinder, milk frother, and self-cleaning system make every cup effortless, fresh, and perfectly smooth. One tap, and your home instantly feels like a cozy cafe. From creamy smoothies to frozen drinks, the Blend Boss blender makes it effortless to crush, blend, and go. Its 1200-watt motor, smart presets, and leak-proof travel cup fit perfectly into busy, active lifestyles, powering your day with smooth, nutritious blends anytime, anywhere. One blend, endless possibilities. Cooking just got smarter with the Appliance Smart Cooker, your personal kitchen assistant that chops, stirs, sautés, and steams while you relax. With 750 guided recipes and auto-cleaning, it's perfect for busy days. Just add ingredients, tap start, and enjoy perfectly cooked meals effortlessly. Who knew a trash can could look this good? This motion sensor stainless steel bin blends modern style with smart function, opening hands-free, sealing odors, and keeping things clean effortlessly. Its wooden legs add warmth and elegance, turning everyday waste disposal into a touch-free, hygienic convenience upgrade. Upgrade your kitchen routine with this sleek stainless steel cookware set where style meets everyday function. From smooth can opening to effortless peeling, every tool feels balanced, durable, and satisfying to use. Plus, the elegant birchwood organizer keeps your countertop clutter-free and cooking beautifully simple. Bring power and precision to your kitchen with the Alumania gas burner. 5 strong burners handle everything from quick boils to slow simmers. Its sleek tempered glass design cleans easily, while cast iron grates add lasting strength. Perfect for home chefs who love flexibility and effortless control. Turn your kitchen into a true cafe with the Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine. From grind to pour, it automates every step for perfect, barista-quality coffee. With customizable settings, silky microfoam, and touchscreen ease, every cup feels crafted just for you. Pure coffee bliss, simplified. Say goodbye to messy wraps and falling fillings with the Crimpet Tortilla Sealer, your new snack time hero. It seals, heats, and locks in flavor in seconds, making quick, no-mess meals fun and effortless. Perfect for creative snacks, kid lunches, or on-the-go bites anytime. Boost your productivity anywhere with the KYY triple screen extender, turning your laptop into a multi-display workstation in seconds. Its sleek, foldable design and vibrant 108OP screens make multitasking, gaming, or presenting effortless. Just plug in one cable and transform how you work, create, and connect. Brew tradition meets technology with the Saki electric tea maker, crafted for flavor, safety, and style. Its stainless steel design, precise temperature control, and keep warm function make every pour effortlessly perfect. Ideal for family gatherings or quiet moments, it turns tea time into a soothing daily ritual. Add a touch of elegance to every occasion with this 6-in-1 cake stand, versatile enough for cakes, snacks, or punch. Its durable, clear design looks like glass, but handles daily use with ease. Perfect for hosting, celebrating, or simply elevating your dessert display. Elevate your coffee game with the Ninja Dual Brew Pro Coffee Maker, perfect for grounds or pods. Brew anything from rich espresso to iced coffee or creamy lattes in minutes. With the built-in frother, fast brewing, and full carafe options, its convenience, versatility, and flavor all in one sleek machine. Transform any outdoor space into a cozy, glowing escape with these solar string lights. Powered by the sun and built to last, they shine beautifully all night, no plugs, no hassle. Perfect for gardens, patios, or celebrations, they bring warmth, charm, and effortless magic to every evening. Breathe cleaner and sleep better with this mattress vacuum cleaner built to tackle hidden dust, mites, and allergens deep in your bedding. With powerful suction, UVC sterilization, and advanced filtration, it refreshes your mattress effortlessly. Perfect for allergy-prone homes, it keeps your sleep space truly fresh and hygienic. Stay cool anywhere with the Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist Fan, your portable breeze for indoors or outdoors. It mists, cools, and circulates air quietly with powerful reach and rechargeable freedom. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or a living room chill, comfort follows wherever you go. Keep food fresh and flavors locked in with this smart vacuum sealer. Its one-touch control and compact design make sealing effortless, perfect for meats, snacks, or leftovers. Whether preserving ingredients or preventing waste, it's a small kitchen upgrade that delivers big freshness and lasting convenience. Save time and effort with this electric peeling machine, perfect for grapes, tomatoes, or garlic. Its gentle blades and one-touch design make peeling effortless and mess-free. Rechargeable and cordless, it's ideal for quick prep, healthy snacks, and kitchen convenience that keeps your hands free and fruits flawless. Meet the future of effortless yard care with the AmpBot Robot Lawn Mower. No cables, no hassle, just smart, precise mowing powered by AI mapping and obstacle detection. It learns your lawn, avoids obstacles, and trims perfectly while you relax or manage everything from your phone. Power meets practicality with this smart battery charger that handles up to 32 batteries at once. Its auto detection tech, fast charge mode, and app control make staying powered effortless, perfect for organized homes, offices, or studios. Charge smarter, waste less, and keep every device ready whenever inspiration strikes. Grill, sear, or sizzle your way to perfection with this XL Sizzle Griddle. Its 20-inch non-stick plate to 150 degrees Fahrenheit minus 500 degrees Fahrenheit adjustable temperature, and even heat distribution make cooking effortless, from breakfast pancakes to steak dinners, all with quick cleanup and sleek countertop style. Relax in total comfort with these high-definition lazy glasses, perfect for reading or watching TV while lying down. Their lightweight prism design eases neck strain, fits over prescription glasses, and makes everyday relaxation feel effortless. A small change that brings big comfort. Try it once, you'll love it. Transform your bar setup with this LED-lighted liquor bottle shelf, featuring vibrant color modes, app and remote control, and a sleek two-tier acrylic design. It beautifully showcases up to 10 bottles, perfect for home bars, parties, or professional displays. Stylish, sturdy, and effortlessly modern. Elevate movie nights with the Magnavox 2.1 home theater system, featuring Bluetooth 5.0, 12 Westar MS sound, and color-changing lights that sync to your vibe. Compact yet powerful, it delivers rich, immersive audio for music, movies, or gaming, all at an unbeatable value. Cooking or baking just got easier with these clever OXO measuring cups. Their angled design lets you read measurements from above, no bending or squinting. Durable, non-slip, and eco-friendly, they make every pour precise and stress-free. Perfect for everyday chefs and kitchen perfectionists alike. Keep your kitchen air fresh anywhere with the Briti Portable Range Hood. Its powerful triple-core filtration captures smoke, grease, and odors without ducts or installation. Compact, quiet, and easy to clean, it's perfect for apartments, RVs, or indoor BBQs. Clean air made effortless. Whip, blend, and puree like a pro with this powerful 1000W immersion blender. From creamy soups to frothy shakes, its 5-in-1 versatility and precise controls make everyday cooking smoother, faster, and more fun, perfect for anyone who loves effortless, delicious homemade meals. Serve up style and refreshment with this elegant 2-gallon beverage dispenser. Perfect for parties, weddings, or casual gatherings, it keeps drinks cool, flavorful, and beautifully displayed, ideal for lemonade, iced tea, or fruit punch. Simple, durable, and ready to elevate every celebration. Experience deep, effortless cleaning with the Aspiron Canister Vacuum. Its 3 kPa brushless motor delivers powerful suction for dust, pet hair, and debris, while HEPA filtration ensures cleaner air. With automatic cord rewind, large dust capacity, and lightweight maneuverability, cleaning becomes faster, smarter, and more convenient. Keep your pantry perfectly organized with this 360 rotating grain dispenser. Featuring 6 transparent compartments and airtight sealing, it stores up to 13 pounds of grains, beans, rice, or coffee, keeping everything fresh, visible, and easy to access with one simple click. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home and kitchen finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comments section below.